Did you know that you can buy a machine that will cost less than $100 and make money at the speed of light paying for itself? Maybe this is a bug in real life and it will be fixed soon, so see how you can make a quick profit with inexpensive tools or machines. Applying temporary tattoos is now easy and fast with just one gadget, the miniature handheld Prinker tattoo printer. It prints with safe cosmetic ink, and any image is applied to your skin in just 3 seconds. At the same time, one cartridge filling is enough for about 1,000 tattoos. Such a gadget can be not only a great addition to a tattoo salon, but also used independently for printing drawings to order. It can also be used to print logos and promotional lettering at sporting events, fairs and festivals, used in street marketing, weddings, corporate events and parties. Complete with a single black cartridge, such a printer can be found for $250. In a set with several cartridges of different colors and a primer, it will cost about $500. A very cheap tool to start making money is the engraver pen. It costs only $15 for such a multifunctional tool with all nozzles. With its help you can apply drawings and inscriptions on almost any surface, plastic, metal, glass, gold and others. You can provide engraving services for engagement rings, knives, guns, glassware, and more. An oxygen cocktail is a cocktail that contains a higher concentration of oxygen than normal air. Such cocktails can have a beneficial effect on the human body, improving its general condition and increasing energy levels. A business idea based on oxygen cocktails can be interesting, especially in cities with a bad environment and high levels of stress. Oxygen cocktails can be sold in cafes, gyms, beauty salons and other places where people want to get extra energy in oxygen. Hydrogel film cutting plotters allow you to cut it to fit any of the thousands of modern smartphone models, and do it in a matter of seconds. The productivity of the plotters is about 2,000 films per day, which in any case would exceed the real needs by hundreds of times. The updated base of the plotter has templates for all possible models of phones, smartwatches, and fitness bracelets. The hydrogel films themselves are easy to glue and provide good protection against bumps and scratches. Especially the presence of such a plotter can make life easier for the mobile accessory shop. After all, phone models tend to become outdated, which means that stores are increasingly cluttered with a liquid product. You can buy hydrogel film plotters from as little as $350. A nail printer business is a business involving the application of designs and patterns to nails using a special printer. Such a business can be very profitable, especially if you offer quality services and use creative and original designs. To start such a business you will need a nail printer and gel paints, as well as a place to rent with high traffic. I recommend a mall. In addition, you can create your own website and use social media to promote your business. Churros are a type of sweet fried custard pastry native to Spain, where they are traditionally served for breakfast. Churros come in thick and thin shapes, straight, jagged, spiral, and ring-shaped. Naturally, such a rather exotic pastry could not go unnoticed by entrepreneurs looking for straight food trends. The process of making churros is simple. A semi-automatic churros extruder is used. Ready dough is placed on top of the machine's barrel, then a handle is twisted to squeeze the churros right into the oil of the fryer. You can sprinkle the finished churros with cinnamon, powdered sugar, dip them in chocolate or jam, add toppings, or sprinkle with salt. You can buy a churros machine for as little as $100 to $200. One popular and unusual type of food printer is a drawing printer for coffee, milkshakes, ice cream, and other desserts. With such printers, you can print quite complex images, and such a coffee or dessert can naturally be sold at a higher price than a regular one and profitably set yourself apart from other competitors in the coffee business. This replaces the professionalism of baristas. After all, the skill of latte art is something they learn over the years. Now, thanks to the advent of such printers, latte art created on a coffee printer can boast even very small coffee shops without a name and advanced staff. What is printed on coffee? Oh, Everything that is embedded in the base of the printer, but for an exclusive of this base need to supplement the original drawings and photos. For example, you can print photos of customers themselves on coffee. If you like creating designer things, a laser engraving machine is great for creating paintings, lettering, and design products. The cost of producing these things is small, and you can sell them at a high price, because they are unique design products created especially for the customer. You can start selling to friends, then Etsy, eBay, social networks, etc. Smartphones and other wearable electronics are an indispensable part of human beings in the 21st century. Smartphones often break or get dirty. A kit to remove dust and fingerprints from a smartphone costs only $5. A phone disassembly kit also costs $5. Basically, figuring out how to disassemble and repair smartphones is not that difficult. There are a bunch of guides for all models on the internet. If you are interested, then opening a smartphone repair service will be a great idea for you. A dye sublimation mug printer business can be very profitable, especially if you offer quality services and use creative and original designs. To start such a business, you will need design skills as well as special equipment, including a dye sublimation printer, a portable press, and printing kits. You can start by offering services at home, at fairs, through an online store, or by renting a small office to attract more customers. You can also create your own website and use social media to promote your business. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like it, subscribe to the channel, see you soon.